Here's a secret from the grant writing world that no one's ever going to tell you. AI can make or break your grant, all depending how you use it. Let me explain. So last month, a founder sat across from me at a coffee shop, completely overwhelmed. She had 30 days to submit her first grant. She told me, Stacy, I opened the application and it was over 100 pages. And then I froze. I tried using ChatGPT and in 5 minutes, it gave me a draft. But then I saw all these warnings from the feds saying, don't use AI. Now I'm terrified I'm going to get disqualified. And honestly, she's not the only one. Federal agencies are pushing back, warning that if they catch you leaning too heavily on AI, they could redirect or even withdraw your application entirely. But here's the truth. The future of grant writing is already here. And if you're not using AI today, you're already falling behind. And if you don't adapt quickly, you're gonna get surpassed by those who already embrace these tools today. And here's even a harder truth. The pace of innovation is moving faster than any human workflow can keep up with. The old legacy ways, reading every PDF, writing and formatting every section by hand, just can't compete anymore. So in this video, I'm gonna break down why AI is your secret weapon in grant writing and how you can save weeks or even months of painful drafting. 2 common mistakes founders make with AI that can actually hurt your chances of getting an awarded grant, the best practices that let you use AI to increase quality and speed without crossing any red lines, and finally, I'll introduce the team that my tool and I are working behind the scenes at Scout that was built on decades of knowledge in the federal grants and contracting space, and that's helped founders win over $500 million of non-dilutive funding, now all streamlined to you. So stick around because this might change how you write proposals forever. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time joining us, I'm Stacy Chin, a professional federal grants and contracting consultant who's helped to raise over $50 million of non-dilutive funding for startups developing innovations in healthcare, climate, and defense. So here's my hot take. Founders today must learn to use AI for grant writing. And if you don't, you're going to get left behind. I've been experimenting with AI tools for the past few years. And honestly, it has transformed my way of the entire grant strategy. The time it has saved me was insane. Brainstorming new angles faster, outlining sections easier, researching background data way more efficient. AI became a nice to have to now an absolute game changer in my workflow. At first, I'll admit, I was nervous. I thought AI was going to replace me and wipe everything I built away as a professional grant writer. I've even had my own struggles of navigating AI grant writing. When I first started using these tools, I love how quickly they can churn out drafts. But if you took a deep dive at the text, I realized the content wasn't at the level of rigor that I wanted it to have. In other words, it didn't have the technical depth I knew would make a difference between an average SBIR and a winning one, especially after working in this space for over a decade. As I was experimenting with more tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini, I realized that wasn't the case. And yes, it took a lot of trial and error to figure out a formula, to learn what worked, what didn't work, and how to strike that balance between speed and the precision that reviewers are looking for. And then it hit me. AI will not replace expertise, but rather it would extend it. But that's only if you use it the right way. AI rather won't be your competitor, or rather it should be your co-pilot. But with every great tool also comes with its dark side. Use AI the wrong way, and it can backfire really bad, leading to weak proposals, messy outputs, and even some cases, trouble with the Fed. And we don't want that. For example, NIH recently put out a policy they will not accept any applications substantially developed by AI. And if they detect post-award misuse, they may withdraw your application completely. That means hours and weeks and months of wasted time on your end. In fact, they even called out a PI who submitted over 80 applications in a single year, all clearly AI generated. And now that's wild. And I've witnessed this myself. Founders using AI to crank out entire grant applications in minutes. But frankly, if you read them, they're just pure fluff. So over the past year, I've had people come asking me for reviews. In 2 seconds, I can tell that text was AI generated. No rigor, no depth, just filler content that looks impressive but says nothing. And honestly, this can be a waste of time for resources both on your end as a founder and for reviewers at the federal agencies behind the scenes. And here's the part founders don't realize. It's not their fault. Most founders were never taught how to use these tools properly, or in fact, what reviewers are looking for in a grant application. So no one has any idea what a strong proposal looks like. So when they plug their ideas into AI, they get something that sounds smart, but completely misses the mark. And then I realized that gap. It's just just hit me. And no one has taught me these processes either, of how to use AI the right way, how to build prompts that produces actual meaningful content, or even how to write strong SBIR applications. And although many of us have to learn from trial and error, it doesn't have to be that way for you founders. And so I thought there has to be a better way. And so I asked myself, what if we can combine decades of knowledge and expertise in the grant writing experience with these new AI tools? So that's what I've been working on behind the scenes at Scout. So with that, I teamed up with my co-founder, Tim Barnes, to build an AI platform designed to fix everything founders are struggling with today in the grant writing world. And when it comes to non-dilutive funding in general, everything from how to find grants that are right fit for you and your company, how to write strong competitive applications, and eventually how to win them and what to do with post-compliance. We've all delivered this in a platform for you guys through Scout. And since our time hustling behind the scenes, we found that our application has helped our clients and their odds of winning grants by 10x the national average. We can do it 20 times faster and 30% more affordably. Now that's wild. So let me break down for you, because this is no ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini. There's way more complexities to this tool. So let's compare it. In the old-fashioned legacy way, if you work with a grant writer, it's a slow and painful process. You spend days pulling together your pitch deck, technical materials, budgets, summaries, etc., etc. You guys know the drill. And then your grant writer have to read through everything, come back with a dozen of questions, maybe get confused about what you're doing with your product or vision, and then how to craft a narrative that fits the agency's priorities. And after all that, you might get a first draft within maybe 10 days. And let's be honest, first drafts are always really rough. Now here comes Scout and how it changes everything. Instead of doing all of that, you can upload all your materials into the platform where it ingests everything, your science, your story, your strategy, and your vision. And it turns it into a high quality first draft in hours. What used to take a grant writer weeks to do, Scout can accomplish within a single afternoon. Founders who have used to lose weeks in back and forth emails can now have near final review drafts on the same day, which is absolutely wild. But that's the power of combining expert knowledge with AI the right way. And here's a really cool feature about Scout that I'm excited about. Scout has highly customized AI trained on your grant projects to search across thousands of federal agencies' databases to deliver highly personalized grant matches aligned with your technology, age of your startup, and goals. In other words, our AI doesn't just scrape databases, but rather it reads what you have in your application and project, understands where you're going, and then searches every single funding database to find the right grants that are the right fit for you and your startup. So go sign up today and let me know what you think. And with that, thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to check out Scout with its AI grant matching and SBIR writing tools. If you found any of these tips helpful, I would greatly appreciate if you like and subscribe to this video. And don't forget to check out our links below for more resources and tips on how you can keep your equity throughout your non-dilutive fundraising journey. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.